Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute alarm by turning your phone face down on Samsung phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your settings application on your Samsung phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the advanced features. It's over here. Tap on the advanced features. Then on this advanced features, you have to select the motions and gestures. This one. Tap on the motions and gestures. Then if you want to activate the turn over to mute, you just need to click on this toggle button. Okay, and now this feature has been activated. Then you will be able to mute incoming calls and alarms by turning your phone face down. Alright guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.